she actually value their expression, value whatever they have to say, and that is what we need to do. We need to value them. कोई बच्चा हमसे आ रहा है, पता कभी कभी बच्चे मैम ये मैम वो ऐसा अभी स्टार्टिंग में आप लोगों ने बताया था, होता है, सब क्लास में होता है. Listen to them, acknowledge them, right? Acknowledge them twice, acknowledge them thrice. Formula लग रहा है हमें. हाँ, please explain your formula. So this is our formula. This is ALM for the acceptance, learn and move on. You have the situation, you have to accept it and learn from that situation and then move on. Don't stuck with that particular thing or incident if something has happened. Then less expectation, not the same. Don't expect others to do whatever you wish to or you want to do anything. So then the last one is be satisfied. Expectation less करनी है तो आपने plus क्यों करा है? Less expectation है ना, minus करिए ना. Then except I have to write E only. Minus expectations. इसको minus करिए ना. है ना? हाँ कोई बात नहीं. Minus the expectations. है ना? Then be satisfied. Nice, very good, very good. Thank you.
That is H is equal I square RT. So two ways I can explain here. One is that heating effect of electric current, and the second one is that happiness can possible if we will ignore and improve the mistakes in our work. That is twice. Okay, it should be twice because mistakes can be happen, but if we will ignore it and we can improve it over it, so we can make ourselves happy. Second one is that completing our responsibilities, and the third one, truth and honesty in our work that can make us happy.
It can make us you happy, and it will make others happy as well. Right? Yes, good formula. आपको तो करेगा ही खुश अगर हम ignore and improve करेंगे अपनी mistakes. Obviously we will complete our responsibilities on time. आपको भी खुशी मिलेगी, सर को भी खुशी मिलेगी. And then what was the T? Truth and honesty towards whatever you do, not just only towards work. First you need to be honest towards yourself. Yes, please go on.